What are you doing in here? It is okay. I will not hurt you. Come on, let us find you some water. Look! This is the perfect place. There you go. Refreshing, right? Hey! Now we are both soaked. I think we are going to be best friends.
Good morning, little guy. Did you sleep well?
You must be hungry. Let's find something green for you to eat.
Here you go, little guy. I picked this just for you.
Is it good? Is it good? It looks delicious. Let's go back to the stream. I want to show you the stepping stones. It is easy. Just follow my feet.
You did it! Good job!
Careful! I've got you. That was quite an adventure for a little dino. Look at that! It is so bright! Get it, little guy! Oh. Are you okay? You are a clumsy one, aren't you? Look at this stone. It is as smooth as your skin.
Do you see that one? It looks like a giant tree.
I think it is time for my breakfast now. These look safe. My mom told me about these. See? We can both eat these. They are sweet. That was a good nap, wasn't it? Someone is full of energy again. What do you see down there? It is pretty, isn't it? Just like a star. Hey! I just got dry. We should head back to the pond before it gets dark. I am gonna catch you! It is even more beautiful at night. Good night, Dino. See you tomorrow. Wow, look at the mist. It is like a dream. Let us see if we can find those red berries again. Just a little. Higher. Thanks, buddy. Come on. I think there is more to see this way. We are back at the stream already! You can do it, just like yesterday. You did it! You did it! You are the bravest dinosaur ever! I wonder what else we will find today. Whoa! Did you see the size of that thing? Those are pretty. They match my eyes, see? There. Now you look very fancy. Catch 'em! Catch 'em all! I wonder if anything lives in here.
It likes you. You made a new friend.
Let's go check on the lily pads at the pond. It's so quiet here. Perfect for another adventure. These grass stalks are even taller than you. Shh! Look how small it is.
You scared it off, you silly dino.
Is that us? You look even greener in the water. Hey, now I have a wet shirt again. Let's go see if the stream is still as cool as it was. Whew. It is a long walk for such a little guy, huh? Back at the water. Much better. This one is for our big day of exploring. It is just a bird, Dino. Big wings, though.
Summer is almost over, I think.
Look at it go! It is a tiny boat. Careful! careful there. The ground is soft.
There you go. All safe.
You are leaving a trail. Now I know exactly where you are going. The sun is getting low. We had a busy day, didn't we? Let's go home, buddy. This looks like the perfect spot for a break. Look, Dino, the first star. Make a wish.
Wow! It is like the stars came down to play with us.
Someone is getting sleepy. It has been a big adventure. Right here. This will be nice and soft. A special stone for a special friend. Good night, Dino. Morning already. Wake up, sleepyhead. The sun is up. Big stretch. Ready for more adventuring?
Not that one? Maybe we can find some berries.
Just like yesterday. One step at a time. Gotcha. Gotcha. I won't let you fall.
We made it! Good job, buddy!
I wonder what is past those big trees.
Let's go find out together.
It is like a whole different world in here. Careful, Dino. That is just for looking, not for eating.
See? These look much tastier. I thought you would like those.
Hey! Not too far, Dino.
You really wanted that butterfly, huh?
Maybe we'll...
It was just a little frog. You are way bigger than him.
This sun feels so good on my face. 1, 2. Almost 3. Almost. Give it another try, buddy. Stay very still, Dino. Bless you. I think you scared him off. That one looks like a giant apple. Do you see it? You're right. It looks just like you.
Come on, buddy. Let's see what else we can find today.
Back on the trail. Let us see where this leads. Did you hear that, Dino? It is just a little forest friend.
You are quite the acrobat, Dino.
Look at the color. It must be from a very special bird. Does that tickle? Almost to the top. We can do it. Look how far we have come, Dino. Best seat in the house. We have had quite a day, haven't we? Can you smell the pine, Dino? Okay, rest time is over. Let us head back down. Easy does it. Watch your step. Look, it is a shadow bird. You made a dino shadow. Even better. Bless you.
Too much perfume?
It is so bright now. Everything is sparkling. Oh, still cold, but it feels great.
What do you think, buddy? Should we see what is around the next bend? One more crossing, Dino. Let's see what is hidden over there. Whoa!
Steady there, big guy. Made it! No wet feet this time. Wow! The trees are huge back here. Look, Dino. It is like the stars fell into the wood. Hello? See? It talks back. There it is. We really did find a secret path. Let us see what else is out here, Dino. The day is just getting started. Whoa! Check this out, Dino. That is way bigger than your feet. Going the short way, huh? I will meet you on the other side. was fast! Wait, wait! We do not know if those are safe to eat, buddy. Here, have this instead. Much better, right? Look at that! A secret waterfall! You cannot catch it! It is just water dust!
Oh, thanks, Dino. Good save.
This is the best day ever. I am glad you are here with me. Whoa! Did you see that jump? Look how big that leaf is, Dino. It is like a little boat.
Nice try, Captain. Maybe next time.
The sun is heading home. We should probably do the same soon. It really was a lucky find, wasn't it?
Let us say goodbye to the pond before we go.
Everything looks so different now. Come on, Dino. Time for dinner. Look, Dino, the first star. Make a wish.
It is just a firefly, buddy. It is playing hide and seek.
Shh. Look at his little light. Whoa! There are hundreds of them. Oh no, not again. Do not sneeze. That was it? I thought you were gonna blow the trees down. It looks like a silver ribbon now. Careful, buddy. Just a few more steps. Back on solid ground. Good job, Dino. Did you hear that? Something is over there. Easy, Dino. Maybe it is just a forest friend. It has been a long day of exploring, hasn't it? Look! I recognize that big oak tree. We are almost back. See that light? That is home. Almost time for a real bed.
We can come back tomorrow, buddy. The forest isn't going anywhere.
Come on. Let us get you some snacks and some sleep. Almost there, buddy. Just a little further. Wow! Whoa! Look now! Nanino can! Look at all those stars! It is a nightlight with wings. on, Dino. The bed is calling our names. Whoops. Easy there, big guy. I've got you. Good night, Forrest. Thirsty? That water looks nice and cold. Let's go see the big pond today. There it is! Look how big it is, Dino!
It's okay, buddy. It's just a little frog.
This is a nice spot for a break. That is you, Dino. You are looking at yourself. Shh. Look at that, buddy. I don't remember this way. Should we explore it? Whew. Nah, he was too fast for us, Dino. Careful, buddy. It is a bit slippery here. Everything looks so different in the sunlight, doesn't it? Careful, almost across. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Gotcha. I won't let you fall. Whew. Whew. Solid ground again. Let's see where this goes, Dino. Do you hear that? We're getting close to the big pond. Wow! Look at it, Dino! It's huge! It is even prettier than the stream, Dino. Look at him go! Hey! I'm already clean, Dino. Stay very still. Bless you. That was a good spot, wasn't it? Come on, buddy. Let's head back to the stream.